what's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to show you how to easily install crown molding, specifically how to mount it. So the main issue that I have whenever I mount crown molding is sometimes I can't find a stud in the wall, in the ceiling, or even in the wall here. So if you can't do that, what I found was the best thing to do is to shoot a brad nail to the left and to the right, up at the corner there and at the bottom, especially if you can't find a stud on the bottom. But what that does is it creates an anchor to where the molding won't come forward towards you and it won't slide from left to right. So this will actually work for crown molding that goes onto the ceiling there, or even the side molding here. It works on this as well. So say for instance you couldn't find a stud right here, you could actually just tack a nail this way and tack a nail that way on both the bottom and top, and then it will hold this and secure this molding in place. Now you can actually, just tack it in straight, but it might end up lifting up. But I've found that if you do the crisscross action, it won't lift up. Now if you can find a stud, it's a no-brainer. You just tack one in right here and one in right there, and then cover it up with some nice caulking. I do highly recommend the Alex Flex crown molding caulking because it covers up really well. So this is what I use to get the job done, and it only takes like half the time if you use this brad nailer. This is actually a 20 volt Dewalt 18 gauge brad nailer. If you want to check out this awesome product for the best price, I mean, it's a lot cheaper online than it is in store. So if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's, you'll be paying maybe about $300 plus tax. If you check out the links down in the description below, you'll get it for like $265 or less, and it will come with everything you see here. You'll get the battery, the charger, and the brad nailer, and you save a bunch of money, so you can use that money towards other supplies like, extra brad nails and everything else, and maybe extra battery if you need it. But this battery also works with my impact driver. And make sure you get the indoor nails. If you use galvanized nails for outdoors, it won't hurt anything either. But these are a 1.5 inch long. This is what it looks like when it goes into the nail gun. And then whenever you finish up, it's good to use this stuff right here. This is some really good caulking I highly recommend. It's actually made for crown molding. So it's supposed to be crack proof, and everything that you see right here paints in 30 minutes, and you can read everything here for yourself. But you want to make sure you also have your brad nail gun set to where when you shoot these nails, it is nice and flush. You don't want the nail head to be sticking out. So there's actually an adjustment on this nail gun where you can move it to the left or right, and this is basically simulating the top of this brad nail right here. So as you can see, whenever you shoot this thing in, the top of that has like a little T. So the more you adjust this to the right, the nail is actually going to be sticking out more, and then when you switch it off to the left more, then it'll be more flush and recessed. And that's what you want. So I recommend, testing it out on a few pieces of crown molding so you can kind of get a feel for what the finish is going to look like. The question I always get all the time in regards to mounting or installing crown molding is how many nails and how far apart should you space them out along a whole crown molding like this. And I always tell people that there is no magic number. You just go with whatever gives you the best finish, in my opinion. So I will usually go maybe 1 inch off of that corner seam there, and I'll tack a nail on the top and the bottom, and then I usually tack another nail every 1.5 foot. So I do one right there, and right there, all the way on down. And the reason why I do that is because if you don't have enough brad nails in to secure your crown molding, you'll start to lift up, and you don't want that. So a lot of different crown moldings also are not all the same. Some of them bow out, or your wall can even be uneven to where it makes the crown molding want to bow out. So the more nails you have in is the more secure and the better finish you will get. So I hope this video helped out, and you get some awesome results whenever you install your crown molding. But if you have any questions for me, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.